What's the meaning of brackish? Brackish. Brackish.
Brackish. Brackish. The word brackish refers to a body of water that is slightly salty or briny, typically found where freshwater and saltwater mix. Brackish water can be found in estuaries, mangrove swamps, and other coastal areas where rivers meet the ocean. It is not as salty as seawater, but it is also not completely fresh. This type of water can be challenging for plants and animals to survive in because it can be too salty or too fresh for their needs. Overall, brackish water is a unique ecosystem with its own set of challenges and opportunities for life to thrive.